I've got an upcoming project where I want to put a light into a freezer to record something that's going on. So I wanted to be able to have a light with an external power source because batteries tend to not work very well in a freezer. What I've got is a USB light. I've got plenty of power banks that I can use to power this. Let's take a look at the listing on eBay. The search term to use here is flexible USB light, and I bought 10 of these for $5.02 Australian dollars. What can I do with this? Let's take a look inside. Okay, so we see what we got. Okay, so we got some LEDs in here with some current limiting resistors. I'm thinking that if we just cut that across here and then splice in some wires. Let's see if I can use my wire stripper to remove some of that. That's quite cool. We got two wires that were going to the light, the red and the yellow, and then there's a piece of stiff wire in there for giving it its flexible nature. I've stripped back a little bit more of the housing there just to make it a little bit easier. And let's solder in some wires. So we'll just strip off some of the wires. There's not very much wire in these. We'll see how we go. And we'll just trim some of the wire that we're going to use to extend this. Okay, so I'm going to try tinning the end of these wires. Let's see if we can join these fine wires now. Okay, it seems to be joined. Let's give this a quick try just to make sure that it's working. Okay, so we have light. That's good. Let's tidy up these wires now. As always, I keep on forgetting to put the heat shrink on, so I've put some of that on. So let's put that on. And also to stop the wires from shorting out on each other and on that central bar. I wasn't sure what sizes I was going to need, so I just put a few different sizes on. We'll see how that goes. And I'll just repeat that for the other side. So I wasn't holding out much hope for this white stuff because it just had to shrink down too much. Yeah, I think just a bit of black tape around that, I think. Okay, so that's both sides heat shrinked, which is good, and I'll just put some extra tape on that. And that's the ends taped up now, so all in all, good job I think. Freezer cam. Cheerio.